Like the, man, what is it? Like a Jolly Roger. You know what I mean? How are you feeling, all right?
Oh, I'm great.
We must! We shall!
All right, just do that last bit again.
It's falling out.
Fix the mustache.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think we're gonna cut in.
Yeah.
Cut it tight right there.
So.
We shall, we must, we shall.
We must! We shall! Like, it has to be like, we must.
Trying to show me because I can't see.
We shall. Right? So it's deliberate, like, wow.
Wait, let me see what you do.
So it's, we must. We shall.
Okay.
Like the, what is it? Like a Jolly Roger. You know what I mean?
A glorious space age is upon us. The galactic galaxy shall be awakened.
Awesome. No, I love what you're doing. Because it's like the whole sing-songy thing or whatever. It's got to be smoother.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I don't want to smooth it off. So, yeah, just let go, you know? And so when you do the space dust, go in there, and it's, yeah. All right.
Do you want to try it? Have him throw it this time?
What's that?
Space dust?
No.
Okay.
No, that's,
Not yet.
but did you feel that one differently? Because that one felt really good. Yeah, felt good.
We're rolling. Go for it.
I love the jacket.
The jacket fix.
Jacket fix.
All right.
I like the jacket fix.
What do you think? You got one more in you, or are you gonna?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it!
Let's do one more, and then we'll flip them and do the back. And then
Yeah,
that's
okay.
That's it. Do that. Do the fist crossing again.
Balance with all to knowledge! It must! Balance will fall to dominance! It must! It shall!
But definitely, like, you have power and stuff. That was kind of like a lumbering, kind of like. It's just the arm and the leg are connected, you know.
Gotcha.
Matt,
I was like hunched over.
You're kind of like.
can you start with your left? Start with your left.
Yep, that's it. Okay, so.
Maybe scoot back a bit, guys, if you're gonna raise your hands.
Yeah, the hands go out of frame, right? Yeah, when you go that high, we lose them.
How far back?
Yeah,
But then we gotta see their.
I could be. I don't have to go as high. I can go like that.
Yeah, you have to go like you guys have to do that.
Like that.
Oh no, you know what it is? Hey Taryn, can you get a piece of gaff tape and put it on the brand of his pants? All right, so we're gonna do the beginning, and Tuan, walk in, look at each other, step apart. Now can you, just for this, cheat for me, when you do it, go
building it
all the way right there.
Okay. Yeah.
And 3, 2, 1.
Sure.
I get the drop where I hate you.
All right, man. We're on you.
must be green. Only in dominance do we find balance.
If I could get both of you guys kind of doing like, pew, 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 pew.
Oh, yeah.
Just don't run onto the. Start over here. Run this way, shooting.
Come back out.
But don't stop the.
Keep the energy until you're like over here.
Until you see white.
Yeah.
Okay?
Ready, and go shooting. Go.
Like, you know, don't go like, choo, 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 choo. Okay, that was awesome. Like, you know, it's like, choo, 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 and then
Dodge a couple bullets, you know?
Your head. Roll back on your back. And awesome. Good.
Create sci-fi in the neon light. Hit subscribe, power up, ignite. And run the playlist, carve your line. We forge the future.